RCN Astound Broadband Internet Review. Watch before using. Most people get internet service wrong. They assume faster speeds mean better service, but you won't believe what happens next when you dive into RCN. Now part of Astound Broadband. RCN is a broadband provider offering cable internet, phone, and TV services in select U.S. markets. Its biggest selling points are competitive pricing and high-speed options, with plans reaching up to 1 Gbps in certain areas. For many households, this is more than enough for streaming, gaming, video calls, and remote work without noticeable lag. The surprising truth about RCN is how its local-focused service can provide better value than nationwide providers. Unlike some big telecoms, RCN often avoids long-term contracts, reducing fees and giving customers flexibility. Installation is straightforward, and equipment rentals are optional, so you can use your own modem to save money. Most people get this wrong. They assume unlimited speed comes with unlimited reliability. RCN's network performance is generally solid, but it can vary by region. Customer support is available via phone or online, but wait times may fluctuate, so it's important to check reviews for your specific area. RCN also offers bundle options with TV and phone services, which can save money for families or small businesses needing multiple services from one provider. Plus, their promotions often include reduced rates for the first year, making it an attractive choice for new customers. The platform is best for households or small offices looking for fast, affordable internet without being locked into long contracts. It's ideal if you value high speeds for streaming or gaming and want flexibility in equipment choices. The surprising truth is that with RCN, you can often get gigabit speeds at a lower monthly cost than larger competitors, but performance may depend on your local network and service area. Subscribe for more honest reviews of internet providers to help you choose the right connection for your home or business.